gonna find a place to film. Dang it! Alright. There's a train coming, there's probably lots of wind. I'm really sorry, I'm gonna find a place where there's less wind. Got the Phantom. We're gonna film, I'm in downtown Wheaton. There's a train coming. And the sun is about setting, it's like 7 o'clock. Hopefully, nothing goes bad. There are pumpkins growing back there. Look at that. Also, the sunset is actually looking a lot better than I thought it was. The clouds off in the east are really cool. So hopefully I don't format my SD card or something like after this and lose it all. If I did, probably the video down. Okay. Look at this. Focus. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, right there. And then right down. I want to talk briefly before it gets too dark and this video gets too, like, the footage becomes grainy and a train comes by because I'm like kind of near a train track. I want to talk about FPV, why drone footage is boring, okay? It really is. I find it really boring, and I see it a lot in most videos. You see that people don't like watching 4-minute long flight edits anymore. No one likes doing. There are two things that are cool, that there are only two scenarios where drone footage will ever be cool, and that is the first one, which is if the footage that you're getting is like awesome, like if the location is sick, or it's like the Great Wall of China or Chernobyl. Those kinds of flight edits are really cool because they're in very unique places. When you're just flying at a park, not so cool. Second one is the flying itself. So if the flying is like ridiculous and super insane, so a good example would be High Flight. Makes killer content, really has some unique flying, and you could sit there and watch it for probably 5 minutes before I get bored. Some people even longer, but I would say I have a shorter attention span than most people, so 5 minutes is pretty reasonable. But anyway, his videos are amazing because his style is unique. It's just super awesome and flowy, and that's a really fun aspect of this hobby, is just the flying. But I also like the filmmaking side and like getting cool shots and kind of talking and providing helpful information. So that all doesn't happen in a flight edit. So I'm going to start doing more of this kind of stuff where I'm talking to you. I'm going to do more informational stuff, some more fun content. I'm going to put a little bit less. I mean, if you haven't noticed, I actually, like, the videos that I make are actually, like, with the flight edits are shorter. I don't put nearly as much flying in as I do, and that's just because, like, you see, okay, he's at a spot, okay, what does it look like in the spot? So you want to see me flying there. I fly, and then, after a couple minutes, you're like, all right, you can cut to whatever's next, if there is anything interesting next. And that's a lot of times an issue a lot of people run into, is flight footage, again, is just not super interesting. So I'm going to start doing unique things with the footage, doing cool things with drones, and interesting and fun and exciting, practical, impractical, all sorts of different things. I'm trying to brainstorm ideas. If you have any ideas that maybe you don't have enough time to do them, or you want to see someone else do them, hit me up on the comments. I look at them also if you have any suggestions there. But I'm going to slightly deviate from, I'm going to try some new water, some new things on this channel. Hopefully I don't go down in subscribers, but I want to do what makes me want to keep doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna just try some things out. Maybe I'll go back to what I've been doing previously. I want to do more commentary stuff. I have some really cool ideas with paramotors and flying paramotors and commenting and just kind of cruising, like all sorts of things. So I'm trying every week. It's may or may not happen. I'm starting like math at like college tomorrow. All sorts of chaotic things. I'm doing work right now at like a golf course, and so there's a lot. I'm really busy right now, so it's gonna die down eventually, but and I'll be able to put more content out. But at the moment, it's kind of like very hectic. So bear with me. I have some other edits that are coming in. The Oshkosh flying. I flew in Chicago, the mini quad in Chicago. That was awesome. So I have a couple things that are really cool and are coming out. Stay tuned. Tell your friends. And we'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully this footage is not grainy. All right. I think that's enough. I think that's enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, that would be awesome. And all right, I'm gonna take. Let's see. Should I take the escalator or the elevator out? We're gonna do the escalator. Actually, wait, no. That's the stairs. The escalator is like. I'm only happy when it rains.